Maybe, just maybe, some of you guys remember this video. Now guess what? This actually happened. And without functioning headphones, and since I am now in Corona home office, I actually needed a new pair, so I got the successor of it, the XB900n's B-roll action. WH-XB900n. Did I mention Sony's really bad naming schemes? I actually can't remember. These are Bluetooth active noise cancelling extra bass €150 headphones. Let's start with the first thing you will see after unpacking them, the actual feels. It's plasticky, which is not bad per se, but the texture feels kinda cheap. But the looks are quite nice. The designers had a great sense of curves and line work. They look actually more expensive than they really are. Then we have the soft ear cups that are comfortable to wear. They close around your ears perfectly, and even after hours, they do not press onto your ears or you feel any kind of pain. I tested them for a whole day and even fell asleep actually wearing them, and I did not feel any kind of aches whatsoever. So that's an absolutely plus for me. Then we move forward. We got two physical buttons, one for pairing and powering on. The other is customizable and is used for ambient sound control from the get-go. Everything else has been digitized, all controls are now touch-based and can be accessed with one hand swiping, typing and touching on your right ear cup. Forward and backward for skipping songs, up and down for the volume, and double tap for pause and play, which feels natural and somehow actually pretty slick instead of touching physical buttons which you don't see. Now to the XB in the name, and one of the two reasons I actually decided to actually get them instead of other headphones on the market, the extra bass. And oh my god, I thought my old XB950n ones had a great bass, but no, these ones clearly have the low ends on their side. Wow, clear, deep and powerful bass that kicks in but does not drown out the mids or the highs. 5 years ago I actually thought this won't be possible, but here we are now, and I can have almost everything I ever wanted in headphones for under €200. And of course, if you are not the bass kind of guy, then you can adjust all of the settings inside the Sony headphones app to your liking, as well as some atmosphere settings, the pressure and so on. I must say that is one of the only companion apps I have tested in the last couple of months that actually does its job really well. Now to the noise cancellation, which should be, according to Sony, on the same par as the high-end 1000 MX3s. To actually let you hear what I hear when I have the headphones on, I will use this lav mic and put them inside my headphones. This is the room noise outside of the headphones. This is the sound with the ANC turned on and connected to Bluetooth.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
A pretty significant difference. And now with music playing and ANC turned on. And we also got the pass-through option that lets through a significant amount of sounds when you place your hands on the right ear cup to have a small chat with someone around you without taking the headphones off. A pretty cool feature. 2 cappuccinos, please. Thank you very much. Sony claims that the headphones have 30 hours of battery time with ANC on and for the amount of time I have used them, this seems to be pretty accurate, if not even less than what I actually got from them. They also have a fast charging over USB-C. 10 minutes give you an hour of playback, which is pretty great to me. Would I actually say these are the best headphones that I have ever owned? Yes, without a doubt. So are these the best headphones on the market right now for 250 euros? No, there are probably better headphones with a longer battery life, better ANC, and probably a much better and higher build quality. But for 150 euros, these top everything else that is there on the market in terms of looks, sounds and quality. You can't go wrong with them, and if you are a bass lover like me, this actually should be your next headphones. If you want to see more, click on the subscribe button and leave a like. This would be highly appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. My name was Leech as always, and off writing the next script. See you around, and until the next time, goodbye.